So let's review this latest brown shade, which is prepared in buffalo leather, 1.5 inches wide belt with zinc alloy buckle. And buckle की बात की जाए, it's 45 grams buckle, slightly on the heavier side but absolutely comfortable. And the standard 1.5 inches wide belt fits really well in casual and formal pants. It's an everyday wear article जो कि buffalo skin का texture इसमें भरपूर तरीके से नज़र आता है, and it adds into the luxury look of leather belt. So if you like to wear authentic real products, and if you have an eye for quality, then this is the right product for you.